Just a quick review on fraction, decimal, percent, and the connection between the three. They're just different looks at numbers. So I'm going to take a moment and I'm going to just convert a couple of these for you. So to review, to go from a fraction to a decimal, your rule is to divide. Top number goes in the box. So I already know that decimal is going to be 5 point something. I just need to do this work. 9 divided by 20, which I write as 9 divided by 20. Put out some zeros, that's still the same. And then I start dividing. Goes in there 4 times. Goes in there 5 times. And so our new decimal is 5.45. We read that as 5 and 45 hundredths, which if you simplify that would become 5 and 9/20ths. To go from a decimal to a percent, then, you take that decimal and you bounce it 2 places to the right, which means you're multiplying by 100, which is the connection between a decimal and a percent, is that per 100. So, because that's what that stands for, by the way, per 100 cent is cents in a dollar, 100 century, 100 years in a century, centimeters, 100 centimeters in a meter, those kinds of things. So then we bounce it 2 places, and then we add the percent sign. We've already practiced converting a decimal to a percent, so I can just bounce that decimal 2 places to the right, add my percent sign, and I get 7.3%. The one we haven't talked about, then we haven't talked about how to go from a decimal to a fraction. If I want to change this decimal to a fraction, I read it properly by the place value it ends in. So I would read that as 73, and it ends in the thousandth place. So read it as 73 thousandths. The last one is a percent already, and so we're going to move the decimal not 2 places to the right. We need to move it back to a decimal, so we're going to take that decimal and bounce it 2 places back to the left. So that becomes 0.0615, which is not the proper mathematical way to read it, and that's what we need to be able to do to change it to a fraction, is read it mathematically. I would read that as 615, and it ends in the tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10 thousandths place. So 615 10 thousandths.